Hey kids, we're back. We are going to do another drawing. Again, hopefully you're following along. Hopefully you're understanding these things. And there's always a repetitive sequence to these. And if you notice, it's always starting in the bottom lower left corner with the base point. Draw it down here on your drawing. Then also go up top to this isometric view and find it in the bottom left. It's right here. So from here, we're going to go up. And that measurement is between here, there's an arrow, it says 1/2 of an inch. So I'm going to go up 1/2 of an inch. Then I need to come up this vertical line here. That one is the difference between this line and this line. So if we have a 2.5 inch from the bottom to the top, minus 1/2, so now to 2, minus another 1/2, down to 1.5. So this middle part is 1 1/2 inch. So up 1/2 inch, go up 1 1/2 inches, and then up another 1/2. So that's how I drew my little points off the left side. So each one of those is going to have a line coming across. So I'm going to go ahead and draw up with it. This is how this one looks. So again, every line is going to come across the right side because that's where line, 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 and line. How far across do we go? Tells us right there that measurement on the length is 5 inches. So again, using my estimating, I'm going to go and do 5 of these lines. There's 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5. So come across 5. Same here. 5. I can go ahead and go up. Again, 1. Go up some. And over where they intersect. There's my rectangle I'm going to draw. Just like so. Guess what, guys? Front view is finished. I do not like that I did not go over my circles, so I want to make it semi-perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and erase those little circles so they don't look weird. Same as always, from here we went from the corner, 45-degree angle up. Oop, I got hit. There we go. All horizontal lines go to the right, and all vertical lines, which is only this one and this one, go up. Like that, horizontal to the right. If you followed the other videos or the other things, everything's an inch away. So here's the front view. I want an inch gap in between my front and my top. So again, I'm estimating an inch. Start my new base point, which is right here. New base point. Now I'm going to go up 1.5 inches. There's my 1.5 inches. Draw a nice dark line. Then from here, just come straight across. How far? Hit this line. That's all it is. Just hit the line, don't measure. Just like so. Obviously, we connect the dots. So the top view is not finished because I haven't done my right view, so I don't know if there's any more. So let's go ahead, stop with my top view for a second. Let's go to the right. So I know I'm going to do this. Hit, hit, come down, come down. Now if you notice this right view, we can start up here in this top right corner. I know I can come over. I can come straight down, come over to the front, come up to the first ledge. Now it says it goes back. We don't have a line to stop here yet. So I'm going to go back. It says 1 inch from the back side over. So right here on this line, I know I'm going to go over 1 inch. So right there, and then now I can go up to that line, come over, and up. Now my right side is finished. Let's go ahead and clean the right side up. We'll have to erase again because I'm going to make one more projection line from the right view up to finish the top view. And I'm just going back, and like in math class, you always double check your answer. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to double check our answer. So let's go ahead and erase these just so you can see what we've used and what we have not used. Alright, so here, if I backtrack, I'm all vertical lines. Here's a vertical line, it hits, comes over. This is a vertical line, it comes up, hits, over. Now this one we didn't have before, but now we have it. All vertical lines. Comes up, hits, and over. Just like that. Okay. So now we know this is, we're going to use it. Now in the top view, we got to look up here. There's a line right here, but I can't touch it. It's actually this little ledge here, but I can't physically touch it. So this line is actually going to be what we call a hidden line. Again, a hidden line is a dashed line, so it's 1/8 inch line, 1/16 inch gap, 1/8 inch line. So I'm going to go ahead and erase it just so you can see. You can actually just draw over it, but I'm going to do this little drawing. Okay. So that is our hidden line that's on the top view. Most people miss that because they forget about that side view first. So when we're finished with all our projection lines, we go ahead and erase them. You can have a good eraser around so you don't have to burn up your nice pencils. There you go. Hope this video helps. We'll see you on the next one.